Okay, let's take a look here. This is the handout for the common errors for the portrait research essay. The first is the comma splice here. Did anybody find the comma splice? Because we have a lot of commas going on here. Robert Johnson, writing in the Reference Guide to American Literature, recognizes this and ties it to the previously mentioned season of spring, which connotes the most important characteristics of the material world, life and resurrection. Thus, the poem ends with an image of life-giving force, proving the bond between lovers will continue and succeed. We have a lot of commas. Which one? Anybody notice it? Boom. It's that comma right there. Now, an easy fix here would be to turn this comma into what? A period, and then capitalize the T. And there's an easy tip here. Easy tip. So please note, anytime, let me go ahead and change my color here. Give it some pop. Okay. After a direct quote or paraphrase in your sentence. Right, so that comma splice happened because we just tagged on another sentence. Right, so after we have, right, put the research in, period, boom, done. Now, a lot of people say, oh, Mr. K, how come, right, a lot of people are going to recognize here and call me out. A lot of people are going to say, well, wait a second, right here, there's the parentheses with the author's last name and the page number. How come there's not it here? Well, what do I have here? Boom! Signal phrase, author at the front. Well, and why is there no page number? Because it was a digital source. There's no page numbers in cyberspace. So I'm covered. I'm good to go. Now, which is correct for a direct quote from a database? Which is correct? Well, we know that the first one, A, can't be correct because we don't see an author, right? We don't. So that leaves us between B and C. Both B and C have, right? Both B and C have, okay, have author last name, but what do we want? Okay, we want a direct quote. Remember, if we copy word for word, we have to enclose that information in what? Quotation marks. So B gets the emoji. A and C do not. Then, please guys, remember to use signal phrases. Boom. This is not optional for direct quotes, but required. And as well, when we use these signal phrases, please remember, if we name the author at the front, then there's no need, we don't put the author at the end. And also remember, if there's from a digital source, then there's no page numbers. So again, if there's any questions that pop up, please drop them into the research paper Q&A instead of sending me messages. Reason being is that a lot of people are going to have the same questions, and we can learn from each other as we go through. So again, if I can help, please, please, please post it to the research paper Q&A. Thanks, everybody.